Hey, good morning, YouTube. It's Caleb. It is June 28th, 2017. It's about 4 in the morning, and I couldn't sleep because that cat behind me has been chasing a moth, which is fun. Anyway, I wanted to do a video here on something I've been thinking about a lot lately. As you know, I am a realtor in Denver, and one thing I've been thinking a lot about is if we are actually in a bubble here in Denver. If you Google the question or Google the keywords, Denver housing bubble, on YouTube you'll get a couple of videos from various realtors that say, oh, it's not a bubble, everything's going to continue appreciating, going up. And I kind of am going to take a slightly different opinion of that. And some of these articles that I'm going to read to you are kind of my supporting thesis for it. So, the first one here is from the Denver Post. Metro Denver home prices are more overvalued than at any time since the 1980s. The market protected from collapse by job creation, in-migration, and the slow pace of new construction. So this was published in January 2017. Metro Denver home prices are more overvalued than at any time since the early 1980s, but the chances of them declining over the next 2 years remains low, according to the Arch Mortgage Insurance Risk Index. Denver Metro home prices in the third quarter were 22.1% overvalued, that's a lot. I mean, that's almost a quarter. So, this article actually says there's a pretty low risk of price declines. Again, this was back in January, and I will link to all these articles down in the description box so you can take a look at them. Second one is also a Denver Post article, written by the same gentleman, Aldo Civaldi. This one is in April of 2017. And this one says, home prices have run so hot for so long along the northern Front Range, it is hard to imagine them reversing course in a significant way, but Location Inc., a geographic research and real estate firm, warns that years of rapid appreciation will shift into a stretch of falling prices starting in late 2019. More specifically, the forecast says median home prices will fall by more than 20% during the following few years, due in large part to the growing gap in wages and home prices. And that's definitely backed up by the median home price, as we can see if we go over to our information here in RE Colorado. So you can see back in 2014, your average sold price on a home in the Denver metro area, in the Metro List MLS, which encompasses pretty much all of the Denver metro area, that was at $253,000. And if we scoot back up to here in May 2017, our average home price is at $352,000. So that's quite a big discrepancy in just a couple of years, 3 years. So I think, going back to this article, a really important thing to realize is, yes, there are a lot of jobs here in the Denver area, but are they continuing to keep up with their wage prices in accordance with how much the housing prices have gone up? I mean, I think they went up, like 20% in the last 2 years. So I'm of the opinion that I think things are going to take a reversal here, especially as we see some of the other big states come along with cannabis legalization. I think that's going to take a big chunk out of the people that are moving here. But we'll see. I think it's still a fantastic time to sell a home if you are looking to sell. If you're looking to buy, I'd be a little bit more hesitant in the Denver metro area just because things have been so difficult. And if you can wait it out, it might be better served to wait till 2019, at least according to this article. So anyway, yeah, it's about 4:05 in the morning, so I'm going to try to go back to sleep here. But I hope you guys all have a great day. If you have any questions about real estate in the Denver area, give me a call. I will leave my number and information down in the description box. Thanks.